Alright everybody, we are here at an undisclosed location, right outside Dayton, Ohio. This is the place I've been staying at for the past 2 days on my trip out here. This is going to be a room tour. Here's the key card. This is room 2240. Other direction. What's up?
Don't talk in the hall.
I won't. Don't worry. We are in the room now. There you have it. Let me put the card back. There's a map of the building. There's the 2 elevators. I don't want to get the. I'm going to avoid showing the location. These are the regulations for the building. Oops. Don't want to get the building name and the location. This is the room itself. Got a little place to sit at right here. The table and chairs. It's an LG flat screen TV, which is really nice. There's a chair to sit in. A little table to put your feet on, and a couch that I've actually been using to sleep on. I haven't been using those pillows. You got a place to do some work at. Put a computer or laptop here. A really nice little chair to sit in. You can see outside in the parking lot. Over there's a hospital. I'm not going to say the name of it because, again, I don't want to get the location in the video. What's up? Oh, stop. Hello. Climate control unit, or actually not a climate control unit, but a heating vent, or air conditioning vent. Alright, might as well go do that. All jokes aside. There's a little lamp down there that I moved. Hopefully I didn't give the hotel name in the video. These cabinets are empty. However, we also have a coffee maker right here. Some of my snacks. And cup for water.
Catherine.
A little drink station.
Catherine.
You can take drinks out of, but I think they charge you for it.
Yeah, they do.
Got a microwave here too.
Catherine.
Like I said, these cabinets are all empty. Hold on, I'm gonna do the bathroom.
I'm gonna put something in with you.
Here's your hotel telephone. Before my sister goes in, I'm gonna do a tour of the bathroom. Also got a lock, keep people from coming in. There's a universal rental toilet with a public restroom flush valve, as I like to call it. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want to get the phone wet. However, right there is the shower. And my mom's calling. Hey guys, look in the mirror, who do you see? There's sinks. There's 2 of them. Empty, empty. Their blow dryer. Forgot to show you the towel rack's right above the toilet there. And a little garbage can. Throw stuff in. 2 bars of soap and another drinking cup. There's my toothbrush. There's the safe and my blankets that I've been using to sleep on. An ironing board, and you also got things to hang your clothes on. Clothes hangers. And a fan in there. These doors also slide open and slide shut, but I'm not going to mess with those. This light goes on and off. It's a nice painting there. There's your hotel telephone. Sorry, I forgot to show it. Again, I'm not going to show anything with the building's name on it. There's also another really nice painting up there. This right here turns on the kitchen lights. Right out there, you can see out into the hall.
Catherine. Catherine's on the phone talking to the girls.
And right out here, if you look through this window, peer through it, you can get a view into the outside world. You can see the stairwell. You got some really nice looking red curtains. Now we'll go ahead and show the bedrooms. I was originally going to sleep in here, however, there wasn't enough room for 2 people. So I decided not to sleep here. Let me put my clothes down there for a second. Thought I'd show you guys this right here. This right here is a little mini display that I bought with me, showing some of the stuff that I love, what I like to do, so on and so forth. Got some elevator memorabilia, a lot of unique stuff. This right here is a Norfolk Southern GP38-2 locomotive, Alco RS3, and an Otis globe, not an Otis globe, but an old Otis logo that came from First Federal Plaza in Rochester, and a Reliance elevator trademark plaque from an undisclosed location in Rochester. These drawers are empty. There's my shoes. There's my White Face Niagara Falls hat and my suitcase with all my crap in. This right here is the toy airplane I got at the Air Force Museum. This is the only light in the darn room. Nice little painting above the wall. And here's a view of the room itself. Like I said, I didn't sleep on this bed, but it looks comfy enough. Definitely good enough to sleep on. I have to ask my grandfather though, because he was the one who slept on it. Here's another view into the outside world and a view onto the base. And I think there is a light in here. Actually, that controls the bathroom light. Not the bathroom light, but the sink light. This room right here is the main guest bedroom, the hotel telephone, a lamp. Hi, Mom, I'm doing my hotel room tour. Here's the charging hub. Also got the good book in there, a nice lamp, and an LG flat screen TV that I'll show really quickly, as long as I do not get a copyright claim. I'll be with you in a second, Mom. Alright, it's not gonna turn on.
It's on Catherine's phone. Yeah.
There's an alarm clock.
Alright.
4 pillows on this bed.
Yeah. Kids were good.
Those drawers are empty, like I said.
Oh, yeah.
There's me again. Hello. There's that light up there. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little hotel room tour. And I thought I'd show you. There's a little chair to sit on and some more heating and AC units. I don't know what that's for. There's a mirror. Hey there. That's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. And I'm now going to go talk to my mom. That being said, hope you guys enjoyed watching, and that is going to be it.